All right, everyone, here we are with Exela Technologies Inc. XELA stock, and it's actually pushing up with some strength. But before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So, XELA stock, Exela Technologies Inc. is in a position right now where you can actually see that it formed a whole new supportive weakness, but reversed right after that, and it's pushing up, breaking through resistance levels, and right now, in between that last channel, right, that we had right here going on, and the highs that we saw. So we got some things to break down and look at here. So Exela Technologies needs to continue its strength to continue, and if it does pull back, it's going to want to bounce off of this to continue going up higher, but it's going to take a lot of momentum from the bulls, and then the one thing supporting the bulls to push it higher is going to be a possible short squeeze because of the fact that shorts are going to have to cover the higher this goes. So as we jump into Exela Technology stock and its chart right now, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day, and we're going to jump right back into this, and you're going to see for yourselves what Exela Technologies needs to do to continue pushing higher. So what were the home runs of the day? Well, one of them is right here on the screen, but let's look at when I mentioned them. And if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So this morning I talked about KXIN and ANY. We're going to look at how they performed, but KXIN right after the bell, about 10 minutes into the bell, was already up at home run opportunity of 20% plus. But we're going to look at that chart because it's spectacular. So here you are seeing ANY pulled back, and after hitting its lows of the day down here of about 438, it shot up to 525, and that gave right there a 20 to 30% plus opportunity, presenting itself to be a home run as well through the volatility of the market, right? Our other ticker symbol that we mentioned yesterday was ZY. This was a home run opportunity this week as well of 80% plus. But today's home run was KXIN. It was spectacular. 10 minutes after the bell, it was already up 20 to 30%. And it hit highs here of about 50% plus. Pulled back down. Gave other opportunities throughout the day. But its highest point was 70% plus, guys. And this is something that you're more than welcome to gain access to by joining. The link is down below in the description, and you will get live updates on the stocks I'm watching daily and weekly. I'm always looking for opportunities as long as the stock markets are open. It won't come easy. It takes time to understand charts, and that's what it's all about, joining the community to learn and grow through the process. But once you get it down, you'll see a lot of investors over at the Discord can share with you their experiences, or you can even read in the reviews channel, right? In that section, in that chat room where investors have shared their experience, and you will see for yourself that the opportunities are there, and we're going to continue to find them and push forward every single day. And if you watch my videos every single day and you haven't checked out the Discord, I highly encourage you to, because it's going to take you to newer levels in your investing journey. But it will take discipline, practice, and time. But once you get it all together, the opportunities are right in front of you, and it's all about getting that 5 to 10% opportunity. 10 to 20% and 20% plus is a home run, guys. So I look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into this chart. So Exela Technologies Inc. hit a low here today of about 284, bounced back and reversed off of that. It broke through the resistance level of 306, which is a sign of strength, and broke through yesterday's highs of 315, and it's fighting to stay above it. It's at 320 right now. The highest point of the day was up here at 326. That's going to be important for the bulls to break through to reach newer highs and new resistance levels, and their next goal would be up here at 343, and then the highest point of 353. So definitely keep those two in mind to the upside. But before getting there, 326 needs to be broken through and turn into a support. Now, if this starts to push downwards, I would use this right here as a midway point, 308, to watch and see if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast, or if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up. And if it gets broken through, the next support level would be the lowest point of the day, 284, And 284 is significant because it's the lowest point that we've seen in this bearish run before this pullback and jump up. So it's super important to watch it and be aware of it, that 284 gets broken through. This could continue to newer lows and new support levels deeper into bearish territory and continuing that downward trend. But right now, the bulls reappeared, and we're going to have to see if they can dominate this by breaking through resistance levels and continuing the momentum. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys. Stay tuned for that. And if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And if you want to know the live updates on what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. So in this chart, I have the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list because GNOG is a stock, GNOG, that right now is showing a lot of strength at these levels. We saw the lowest point that it reached in the last several days, and it was 1010 and last several months. Now that's the lowest that we've seen it pre-SPAC pricing. After the SPAC merger, it had a lot of volatility and a lot of hype. Went to highs here, right, of $27, and it has been in a downward trend since, and it's doing a consolidation sideways and a strength from the move down here to where it's at now, right? Now this stock has been a profitable stock all around. The only bad earnings that it had was back here in March, and that was a surprise of about minus 0.50. But other than that, when you look here at the financials and everything about them, they've had a net income of positive net income in Q4 of 2020, Q1 of 2021, and annual has been positive since 2019. So if this next earnings, which is coming up here towards the middle of August, it says here August 13th or August 16th, I'm not sure. It says here next August 16th, and then here it says for the 13th. So we're going to have to double check that. But at the end of the day, the days are coming and they're counting down, and the stock is pushing upwards. And based off of technicals on the daily and weekly, this is in a reversal point if it starts building momentum and gets more inflow volume and the bulls start to appear. Now, if they don't, it could go into further weakness, and that support there of 1010 is going to be important to watch, because if it breaks through it or gets closer to it again, it's becoming an even larger opportunity, because when the reversal does happen, this will push up higher, and analysis price targets are pointing this one to the upside. So it's going to be very important to be aware of this, pay close attention to it. I mean, this right now is near all-time lows since the most last run and recent bearish run. So it's going to be so important based off this strength and sideways movement to watch it within this channel. If it doesn't break out of those support levels and resistance levels, continues with strength, and if earnings or a good catalyst of positive news pushes it up, it's going to break out of there and start to reach newer highs and new resistance levels just based off the charts. This is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions on these stocks. If not, I'm here to enlighten you guys on the opportunities I'm watching and why I'm watching them. And GNUG has been screaming opportunity since it reached the $10 mark down here. And with this consolidation, it has been a big pointing of direction where there's strength and the bulls are trying to hold up, and all they need to do is form that staircase effect. And then if they can continue, if you go ahead and think about it as a staircase from here to here to here and keep on going, they can continue the momentum to the upside and continue pushing back up near $20 or beyond that as analysis price targets pointed. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.